Hi mga besh! Another day, another vlog! We're here in Japan right now. This is our second day. We're going to a ski resort. I'm with the company SP Madrid, and specifically I'm with Cindy, Marisa, and Lizelle. They're busy taking pictures. Look, that's them. That's it! And I'm so excited. How's your first day here?
Day 2!
No, the first day. How's your first day? And how excited are you sa day?
Grabe, excited ako sa snow. Isa sa mga pangarap ng lahat, yung makita yung snow. So, finally!
We'll be jumping! Yay! So that's Jeline. She'll be with me. This is Charm. And Cindy. She's giving out money.
Yeah.
She's our treasurer. She's our ingat yaman.
10,000 per day. 10,000 per day.
Yay!
Got 20,000 sa akin.
For shopping. This one for shopping. Okay?
This one,
Yeah.
today,
Today for food only.
only.
Yeah, the 10,000.
Dahil mabait ako, bibigyan kita, babe. 10,000.
Sige, ulitin mo yung sa akin. We are now on the way to the meeting place. It's cold. It's here. So this is my outfit. It's really cold. Freezing cold. Right now we are on our way to the place. Hi! Guys, umabot kami. Alam niyo ba? Super takbo kami kanina. Pero it's a good thing umabot kami. May kasamang hingal. Let's go. Guys, we're finally inside the bus. After walking and running. True. Exercise naman yun.
Sobrang kabado kanina. Sobrang kabado kasi nga hindi ako takot maiwan. At hindi rin ako masyadong kabado kung sakali man magkaligaw-ligaw kami. Ang natatakot ako, sermon ni Sir Ian. 'Di ba? Kasi ilan to, nabayaran na rin. Tsaka most of them are newbie, so dapat ma-experience nila. So good news, okay? Good news. Kahit papano, 6:10 kasi yung ano namin, call time pala. 6:10 call time. Magkikita-kita dun sa baba ng building. Pero 7 o'clock pasado na kami umalis doon dahil nga maraming beauty queens din, 'di ba? Papalalaki beauty queen. So ganoon. So Filipino time, pero bad news, guys. May naiwan na isa. 'Di ba? Pero good news, umabot kami. Guys, umabot kami. Hindi kami naligaw. Isang beses lang umikot, pero dire-diretso na. Thank you Google Maps. Bye-bye.
Nag-video si Mr. Jeff. Saan?
I know.
Nakakakaati si Pri. Wala akong pakaalam.
Oh my gosh, ang lamig dito. There's a bit of snow. We're inside the toilet. Oh, cute! Look! Okay. I can see snow. Hi guys, we're almost there. Maybe only a few minutes. They're here. Okay. Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning! We're now here in Dinaland! So cold! But they have layers. Layers of bats. To protect me from the cold. Ito yung mga panahon na ang laking tulong. Ito yung mga panahon na ang laking tulong ng adipose tissues. It keeps you warm. It protects you from any other element. I'm walking in ice. You see? You can use this ski sticks and that. I don't know how to speak, so I bother. Hi guys, this is me before going to the snow. I don't know if you can hear me. I hope you can. This is me. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Let's go! This is nice.
Hi vlog,
hindi pa nakaharap. Yan.
Ay,
Ayan, okay na, nakaharap na. Hi!
hi! Wash out to vlog to my
My family in Pangasinan.
yes, and
My ka-MCs.
may Jusawa and may anak. Oh! Artista na po ba kami? Oh my God! We are here in Japan!
How's the experience so far? Mag-ano tayo, gawa tayo ng ball.
Yes. Oo, tama.
Natin ito tayo.
Tara.
Tara. Video kami, Julie. Ayan.
Tara.
Charm.
Ganito ko lang, no?
Oo. Itapat mo lang sa amin.
Dito ba? Dyan. Ayan.
Busy! Hakan mo. Ano ba to?
Ikaw mag-interview sa kanya?
Ay, ba't hindi nahiwala? Masakit. Ay, sorry.
Ang ice. Sarap nung yellow. Joanna, lagi mo nakasindi dito mo. Ha? Lagi mo
Oo.
Joanna, lagi nakasindi.
Magagalit sila.
Apat lang daw eh, apat lang.
Oh my gosh, ang lamig.
Ano lang siya always?
Ay, ganun din sa amin. Kapag
Ano?
sakit ng mata ko. Easy. Kapag
Hala,
inactive din yung mga kasama ko nawawala.
Si Sir Jeff.
Ano na
Hi, Sir
nangyari?
Jo.
Hi!
Ay,
Nagpaplano kami na
Sir Jeff!
Ano raw?
At least may J! At least may J!
Ano ba sabi niya?
Ay, Sir
Sergio.
Sir Jeff.
Sir Jeff.
Panot na ba ako? Hindi naman ah. Sabi niya, Sergio daw.
Sino ba mas pogi?
Mababa pa naman yung headline.
Mag-tiktok na tayo, sir.
Gawin na natin yung ganun, tara.
You know?
Alin?
Dito na ba tayo? Oo, dito na yun. Yun, doon na tayo.
Dito na yun. Dito, punta pa kayo doon. Tawagin mo na! Ay!
It's so cold.
Alam mo, bigyan pala tayo ni Sir. Maybe 7 PM na
That's my mark. Oh my gosh. Picture.
Si ano? Di po.
Oh look. Wait. I don't know if you can see that. Because I even can't.
Magdala ka tayo tayo, magaling kayo. Kasi mahirap, actually mahirap sa inyo. Ang buti
Nandun pa ba sila sa Rian?
Opo, nagbihis.
Wala man lang tayo picture sa kanila.
No? Hi mga besh! So that you can see. Hi mga besh! Oh my gosh. We're now here in Nagoya, Japan. And it's snowing in the mountain. This is such a dream come true because when I was a kid, I really want to go to some place. I mean, I've been dreaming, I've been praying that Philippines should also experience because we only have 2 seasons. It's wet and dry season, unlike other countries in Asia. That's the reason why this is such this is a tick. Yeah, dream come true, and a tick from my bucket list. I was able to form ice rocks. I don't know if that's called ice rocks. A ball from the snow. It's so cold, but it's nice. Such a good thing. I hope my sisters, my family are here with me experiencing this because we really want to go to Japan to experience snow. Because it's don't worry. Hi na, Judy, ate. King. Dadalhan ko kayo ng snow. But in a bottle. A snow in a bottle. Which means it's a water. You can freeze it. Where am I going to freeze it? This is me in snow. Mwah. 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 Hi guys, while others are busy doing skiing, we're here eating. Look. Food is life. So creamy.
Baka kasi tumalbog kami. Sayang hindi ko makuha yung mga pagtalbog. Kaya mo yan, B. Hindi. Kailangan mo para ma-experience mo din. Andito lang ako, alalay mo. Para ma-experience mo, bakla.
Kita mo, ang sweet ni Sir Jeff kay Joanna.
Kaya
Dapat
nga.
sweet ka rin.
B, okay lang yan, B. Pag tumalbog ka.
Ako ng tig 1K. Pero, nakaka-appekat, B.
B, kaya mo yun. Para ma-experience mo ang laban sa buhay. So, ano masasabi mo ngayon?
Sabi ko ngayon.
Ah. Kaya mo yan. Kamusta ka naman so far?
Hindi, first time ko magbuhat ng ganito kabigat.
Bi, wag kang aakyat. Feeling ko dyan ka na lang.
Paano ba ito, B?
Hindi. Oo, dun. Lapag natin yan. Huwag ka sa taas, B. Nakakalula. Dito ka na lang. Digit ka lang.
Picture mo na ako. Pause mo.
Wait lang.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my... Ano yun
Dali,
yung Joanna?
Medyo na.
So, ito. So, may kaganapan ko ngayon dahil kay Joanna. Hindi nila mabuhat. So, tatlong lalaki na po yung kasalukuyan nagbubuhat sa kanila.
Dali, ito bibuhatin mo to. Ako to bahala dito sa isa.
Patawagin ko mga ibang ko.
Kaya ba ng tatlo? Mi, wag dyan munang itayo! Wait lang! Sayang, hindi kita nakuhanan, miss.
Oh, hawak, Jeline. Picture mo na din ako. Babalik na ako. Ayoko
Ito
na.
ba? Ito ba yung picture?
Oo. Ay, video yan.
Isuot mo, miss. Sa baba.
Hindi, mahulog ako.
Hindi, sa baba ka lang. Wag ka dito.
Tayo kasi mapipilaya tayo.
Wag ka dyan. Doon ka, miss. Madulas dyan. Pang picture lang dito. Ah, sige. Kaya mo ba?
Yun ang gamit mo.
Sana okay ka lang, Mr. Jeff!
Hi, Miss Joanna. Kamusta naman ang experience mo for today's?
Natumba! Pero masaya. Ganito pala yung mag-ski. Oh my gosh, I feel like a pro.
Oh. Oh my God.
Pero natumba. Natumba ako, guys. Mahirap pala to. Kung ayaw mong mamatay, huwag mong itry. Okay?
Akala mo ba, Miss Joanna, madali lang?
Akala ko madali. Try mo si Charm.
Kamusta?
Panoodin niyo yung video ko. Sobrang galing ko, guys. Okay na sana to. Okay na yung 1K.
So, yun lang po for today's video. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Nag-yellow muna sana tayo.
Ang mahirap din napindot ni Jeline. Just like a video of this restaurant. Hi guys! Katatapos lang namin, kararating lang namin from the mountain, from the ski resort. Ngayon, nandito kami sa restaurant na dadaanan namin. This is a very small restaurant, pero okay naman. I think okay naman, may mga nakita din kamang mga Pilipino dito na kumakain. Mamaya, check natin kung masarap ang pagkain nila. Yan lang.
Grabe na ito. May presentation pa, no?
Hi guys! So far, everything we ate are so good. Approve.